Welcome to tutorials in hand.com. Let's check how we can traverse over array list using iterator. Now suppose this is the list of an item which are present in some hotel and we are going to traverse over it and check what are the items that are present. So in that case we will be using iterator. You can also use for each loop or for loop to iterate over that, but since collection has provided you with iterator to ease your way of doing the same thing, that means it provides you an easy access to some methods that helps you to iterate over the list, and we are going to see those things. Let's see how we can create iterator over this list that we have created, that is named as items, and we are going to create iterator over these items, and this is how we can do that. You can write iterator and that iterator would be of type string because this list contains string and it will return string only. So this iterator should be of type string as well, and let's give it a name itr, and then you can take this items and you have to create or invoke a method that is iterator over this, and if you write itr you will see iterator method is shown over here. You must be aware that you can iterate over list using list iterator as well. We will cover this also in the next video tutorial. For now we are going to see how we can use iterator to traverse over this list. So we are invoking iterator on this items list, and now you see there is an error over here because we have not imported the iterator. So here we are getting few options for the iterator to import, and we will be using java.util.iterator. So we will be importing this one, third one, java.util.iterator, and now this error disappears, and if you hover over it you will see that an iterator over collection iterator takes place of enumeration. Earlier what happened is instead of iterator we used enumeration to traverse over the array list, but it was not having a very proper naming convention for the methods and those things, and that is why iterator removed it after I think Java 1.2. You can see Java 1.2. After Java 1.2 you have got iterator to do the same task that enumeration was doing, and if you use vector sometime, which is an obsolete class now, then you will use enumeration to traverse over that vector. For now we are going to use iterator only, and it is the only preferred way of iterating over any array list or list. So now since we have created iterator object, what we can do is we can take while loop, and within while loop you can write itr dot, and we will check if this iterator has next element. You can see the method name is very simple, has next. It will return boolean value true or false, and it returns true if the iteration has more elements in it. That means if the list has more elements, then only this iteration that is has next will return true, otherwise it will return false and while loop will end. So for now we will take has next, and itr dot has next will return true or false, and based on that we will enter this while loop. And now our task is to simply print the elements that are present in the list, and here we will print each element or each iteries that are present in the list, and for that what we will do, we will check the next element that is present in the list. That means we have already checked itr dot has next and it says that yes, the element is present, and for that reason we will now pick the next element that is present in the list and print that. And if you press dot and then write next, you will see another method that is next is present, and what it does is it returns the next element in the iteration, right? The next element that is present in the iteration which was found by itr dot has next, because has next knows that there is a next element, and then when you invoke this next, that particular element that is the next element would get picked, and in this case we are printing that next element, right? So this is how this works, and it is very simple. You need to create one iterator object on this list that you want to iterate, and then you can use while loop to check whether the next element is present or not, and this is done by has next, and if the next element element is present, it will return true. If the next element is not present, that means after beverages it will not have any element, and thus it will return false after that, and this while loop will end. But till it starts from burger, it will see that this cheeseburger is the next element, and after that it sees fries is the next element, and so on. So till then it will keep on returning true, and this while loop will keep on executing, and we will be printing the next element each time. That means in the first case it will have burger, that will be printed, and then in the next case it will check has next, and yes, cheeseburger is present, and thus it will return true, and then itr.next will pick this cheeseburger and it will print that, and it will keep on executing in that particular fashion till it comes to the end of the list. And this is how it works. Let's execute this and see. This is the elements that are present in this list, and we have traversed over each and every element one by one, and this is how we can use this iterator to traverse over this array list.